So this is our final project that Aryan and I made, and we have two projects. The first one being a voting app. So if we open the application here, you're required to enter a 6-digit ID code. So for an example, I'll do 1 through 6. And just to show, votes Jane, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Vote John. So it can accept two different voters. And then if I were to go back to try to vote again, it wouldn't let you vote since it was the same ID. And then if I tried to vote someone else again, it can hold more than one vote. And this also has error handling for spaces. Let's say someone mistyped, it wouldn't recognize the ID. And so after voting, you can go check to see all of the IDs of people who have voted. And so what I've learned most from this project was probably having a more advanced understanding of reading and writing CSV files compared to the earlier labs. And one of the main challenges I had when writing this was I found myself doing big batches of code rather than troubleshooting along the way, which I will definitely take with me as I continue coding.
So I had the ATM. If I go here, here are all the accounts. I can create a new account for now. I'll just do my name. And then I'll set my password as 1234, just as an easy pin. And I'll give myself about $500. Okay. So now I'll go back to the main code and I'll run it. And here I'll type in my name, but then I'll type in the wrong password. And we'll see what happens. I'll do 123. It'll say account not found. We'll check our details, say, oh, I typed in the wrong password. 1234. And here we go. We're in. It says I have $500. It says my name. I'll give myself 1,000 more deposit. Now that we're at 1,500, I'll buy, let's say 10 Dogecoins. They'll subtract 10 from there. I'll give myself another $2,000 just so I can buy one Ethereum, which is at 2,989 currently. Now we're back at $500. I'll now give myself $61,000 so that I can buy one Bitcoin. Now we're down to 800, and I'll subtract those last 800 out. Withdraw. And here we'll go exit the code. Go back to our accounts. We can see that we are left with $74. I would say the hardest part about this project, the ATM project, was definitely making the widgets disappear and reappear when the person selects the correct password and username. That was feedback that was given in our progress meeting. We were told to just make it so that there's not so much on the screen right away, which is something that we did. This project gave me a deeper understanding of PyQt and using Qt Designer. Qt Designer is definitely way better than Tkinter in my opinion, which is what we used for both of our projects. Another challenge was having everything round to do decimal places. There would be these weird times where it would just shoot out to 6 decimal places and then the numbers would run off the GUI screen. So chopping it off and rounding to 2 decimal places was definitely something that I had to do almost everywhere. This project helped a lot with trying to find errors in large pieces of code, which was a big mistake of mine. I should have implemented each button and feature at a time and then gone back and done the code and then come back and do something else. That is something I'll take with me to the future. Um, to sum up, those are our two projects. We had a lot of fun doing them, had a lot of fun in this class, and we'll take our knowledge to the future. Thank you.